Ever been stuck with a PDF when you need to edit the text? In the next 60 seconds, I'll show you how to quickly convert any PDF into a fully editable Google Doc for free, right from your Google Drive. First, open your Google Drive. You can simply drag and drop your PDF onto the page to upload it. Once your PDF is uploaded, right-click on the file. In the menu that appears, go to Open with and select Google Docs. Google Drive will now automatically convert your PDF into a new Google Doc. This might take a few moments depending on the file size and complexity. There you have it. Your PDF content is now in an editable Google Doc. You'll probably need to do some cleanup. Check for any formatting issues, as sometimes complex layouts with tables or multiple columns might not transfer perfectly. If this saved you some time, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more time-saving tech tips. Get a PDF that just won't convert, right? Leave a comment below and let's see if we can figure it out together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.